Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I am Adra Marisa from One by Duri. Today we are going to make a quickie wrap. Let's go! For the ingredients, we need wrap, tomatoes, capsicum and lettuce, portobello mushroom, eggs, cheese, butter and milk. Firstly, chop the mushroom, capsicum and tomatoes. Next, put some butter on the pan. Don't forget to mix milk into egg. Scramble the egg. Stir-fry mushroom and capsicum. Dear friends, please ask help from your parents while doing this. Now is the fun part. You can do it with your little brother. Can you help me? Place all the ingredients you like on a piece of wrap. Fold the wrap neatly. And tada! Enjoy! Don't forget to try it at home. Bye-bye!